TGL is changing the game of golf here in Palm Beach Gardens, Florida. Welcome to SoFi Center, a first-of-its-kind sports venue. This tech-infused arena is home to TGL, formed by Tiger Woods and Rory McIlroy in partnership with the PGA Tour. TGL combines advanced technology with live action in front of thousands here in person and millions watching around the world. This is unlike anything the world of golf has ever seen. It all begins when the players walk out of this tunnel, experiencing a level of excitement, anticipation, and fan engagement like never before. From the 588 square foot outdoor LED through the hundreds of screens in the concessions areas and suites, technology envelops fans and players in every corner of the venue.
Digital signage inside SoFi Center and outside SoFi Center is significant. We have 900 linear feet of ribbon board, 2 levels, one on the ground, one up in front of the mezzanine, second level of the stands. We have 2 massive screens, 1,200 square feet each, left and right of the big hitting screen. This provides information for the fans and the players. The digital signage inside the stadium encourages the fans, it communicates to the fans. Yes, we also have sponsor logos on there. It's a key part of our revenue that's important. But the atmosphere in the stadium is controlled by lights, music, the action, and the digital signage cueing the fans in the stadium to know what's going on.
This massive simulator and custom-built green brings 30 original courses inspired by authentic landscapes from around the world here to the SoFi Center. Samsung's dual LED screens engage the fans with player stats, shot clocks, and team logos in beautiful detail. During a match, players will use the virtual caddy to assess wind, elevation, topography, and penalty areas, then set their target. As they step onto the box, the realistic images on the Samsung screens help them visualize their line, see the remaining yardage, analyze course shape, and prepare their swing.
It was critical when we selected a partner for all our digital signage needs that we found somebody who had obviously the quality products, but even more important than that was someone that could work with us, innovate with us. We were moving really fast and stay with us and design the implementation of those quality products in such a way that it would enhance the fan experience both in person and on TV, and also someone who could do it in the time frame that we needed. The bottom line is we couldn't have done what we did with the digital signage experience in the SoFi Center without Samsung.
Samsung technology plays an integral role in the fan experience, enhancing their involvement, loyalty, and affiliation while simulating a home game environment from more traditional sports. Together, Samsung and TGL are proud to blaze the trail for the future of golf and sports stadiums everywhere. Whether fans are in the stands or watching from home, this unique golf experience is changing the way we view our favorite players from around the world. Welcome to TGL.